Ang cute niya, guys! Diba? Para ka na talaga ninja ng Konoha. This one already has like an LED screen up front. Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the channel. For today's episode, we're going to unbox my latest online shopping haul from websites such as Lazada, and Lazada. Opo, addict po ako sa Lazada. So we're going to check out new speakers. We're going to check out a new watch. That watch I actually bought in a physical store. And we're going to check out a bunch of other amazing stuff, including a really nice face mask that's supposedly best fit for working out. So there are different types of face masks. You wear some for full protection, you wear some for, casual, and you wear some specifically for working out. We're going to check that out. And I also bought a really crazy, geeky, anime-inspired face shield. And I'm excited to show that to you guys today as well. So, let's go! By the way, we are doing a bunch of giveaways. As in, andame. First up, we're giving away this. These are legit off-white face masks. They sell for like 5,000 to 6,000 pesos each. I got them from Off-White Manila, not Green Hills. Okay, so they are legit. Giving 3 of them away. The link to the giveaway can be found down below. We're giving away a Travis Scott Astroworld towel, courtesy of our friends from Cop Garden. The link to that giveaway can be found down below as well. And we are, I just recently announced, giving away a Realme 7 Pro smartphone together with Realme Buds Q that sell for over 17,000 pesos combined. The link to that giveaway as well can be found in the description box. Join all 3, it's free, go. First thing I'm going to share with you guys is a brand new watch. So this one I already unboxed. It actually featured on my dedicated watch YouTube channel. Please do check it out. I'll link it down below. This is the new GShock Dragon Ball limited edition watch. So you can see it comes in that bright orange color, accents of gold on the face. You have the 4-star Dragon Ball on the sub-dial. You have different prints of Goku in different stages, from Super Saiyan 3 to normal Goku to Super Saiyan 2. Printed on the strap of the watch. This one is now available in the Philippines, I think starting this weekend, from at Tokyo. So you might want to check their branches out. My favorite one is over at Second Floor Podium and Promenade Greenhill. So this is the first item. This one sells for around 14,000 pesos, guys. This is the Dragon Ball Z limited edition GShock. I also have the One Piece watch. I did a review of this as well. So here they are side by side. You have this one in black, red, and white. You have this one in that black and orange. Same price, 14,000. Now, the next item I want to unbox is something that I got from Henry's Professional. So they're one of my favorite camera, equipment shops. I buy most of my gear from them. And this one is the new GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I will be doing like a review of this one in the coming days ahead, so please do watch out for that. The great thing about, let me just fix the camera focus because it's focused on my shoes and not my face. This one is 20 megapixels, has 5K recording, 33 feet water resistance, and 180p live streaming. And it comes in this really nice box. It already comes in a carrying case, so it's easier to store and bring around. And unlike, I think, the previous GoPros, this one already has like an LED screen up front. So it's easier to like frame your shots. It's easier to be able to take either selfies or videos with it because you can actually see yourself versus, taking a look at the phone. That's kind of messy and hard to do and inconvenient. So this one also has better battery life, better video, hyper smoothing, and I'm excited to just test this one out. This one sells for 26,000 pesos. I will link it down below on where you can buy it on Lazada, but you can also buy it from Henry's Professional if you want to go to a physical store. My favorite branch of Henry's Professional, Podium, second floor or third floor. Next, we have speakers from Marshall. So those who don't know, Marshall is an iconic classic rocker brand. They initially came out with amplifiers for electric guitars, and in the last few years, they've been moving into consumer electronics such as wireless speakers. This one, I forgot, it's called the UX Bridge or UX Bridge voice speaker. So it is smaller. It's not like the giant Stanmore or the giant Kilburn. This one is something that's meant for your desk. It's a personal speaker. It's unidirectional, so it just blasts forward. And this one already already has smart features. So it has Google Assistant, it has Chromecast, it has Apple AirPlay, and it is Bluetooth. So if you pop the box open, ang cute niya guys! Para siyang baby Marshall speaker. Oh, take a look at that. That is so cute. Baby Marshall, baby Marshall. Now, to be honest, this really isn't portable. While it looks small, it's still kind of chunky. So this one is really more of a desk speaker. So if you don't want to use like big setups, you know, like the Bose desktop speakers or giant speakers for your home work setup, this one should do. And again, it already has smart capabilities from Chromecast to Apple AirPlay, Bluetooth built in with Alexa and Google Assistant. So, really nice speaker. It sells for a little over 10,000. I think it's around 11,000 pesos. I'll link it where you can buy it from Lazada down below. Now, the next item is something that I bought more for myself and my personal collection and enjoyment more than anything else. So, as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Dragon Ball. I collect Dragon Ball Funko Pops, especially the limited edition ones. In my review of the Dragon Ball Z GShock watch, I actually showed there one of the most expensive Funko Pops that you can get today, which is the Planet Arlia Vegeta. That sells for $3,000, so almost 150,000 pesos. Anyway, Vegeta being my favorite character, I saw this on Facebook. Somebody was selling an authenticated signed Vegeta. So this one is a Vegeta Funko Pop. And as you guys can see, you have the signature over here of the voice actor, which is also authenticated here on the left side. Oh, diba? So this, I think, let me just fix the focus. This, I think, is my 4th signed Vegeta Funko Pop. So huge fan of Vegeta, one of my favorite anime characters. Love his struggle, and I'm a huge fan of Dragon Ball. So this one was just a must-have. So happy to add this to my collection. Speaking of geeky stuff, we are all required to wear face shields. And there's no reason for us to not enjoy the face shields that we wear, right? So instead of using the generic Hengde face shields, which are good, by the way, they work, they're fantastic. But if you can afford it and if you want to have fun, you can actually buy novelty face shields that have special designs. Like this one. So this... So as you guys can tell, this one is inspired by the anime Naruto. So you have the Konoha band over here, the headband that they wear. And this one is actually very comfortable. It rests comfortably on my forehead. It doesn't grip the top of my head, so it's not tight. And it doesn't sit on the bridge of my nose, which also makes it a little bit more comfortable. So this one, really happy to have it. It's just really pricey. So you can get, you know, the generic face shields for what? Like less than 50 pesos. Some you can even get for like 20 to 35. I think they're selling this for like 200-300 pesos. So it's not the most affordable one, but it's definitely going to be one of the more fun ones. So if you want to wear like face shields that are fun, might want to check stuff out like this. I'll link it down below to where I got it again from Lazada. And the last item that I want to share with you guys is a care package that was sent over by the great folks from Forcefield Philippines. So to those who don't know, they're a brand of cleaning solutions and waterproofing solutions for your sneakers. So they sent over the care kit. So we have their cleaning solution, brush with cleaner. We have more cleaning solutions over here. We have the Forcefield shoe crease preventer. So you put this on your Jordan 1 and it's supposed to prevent the creasing. So this is the McDavid Sports Mask. So this one is in large, this one is in medium, and this one is supposed to be specifically made for athletes or for people who are going to work out. So I'm excited to test this one. This is the mask. Yeah, it's definitely comfortable. It doesn't give a lot of tug on either part of my ears. Not constricting. It's actually really nice. And then if you wear it with this, let me just fix the focus. Oh, diba? Para ka na talaga ninja ng Konoha. I do have more than what I need in terms of cleaning products. So just as a surprise giveaway, just comment down below if you want any of the Forcefield products. If you want the shoe creaser, shoe crease preventer, or if you want any of the cleaning solutions, just comment down below. I'll probably pick 2 to 3 and send them out to the winners in the next video. So wala lang, it's a fun giveaway. I'll probably just do it within the next 24 hours, so take advantage. Comment now which of the stuff, which of the Forcefield products that you guys like. Okay, and with that said, that actually wraps up this quick online shopping unboxing. The links to the different products on where you can buy them, at least the ones that can be bought online, can be found down below in the description box. Again, guys, let me remind you, we have a ton of giveaways going. We have 3 right now, from the Travis Scott Astroworld towel, to the off-white face masks that sell for like 5,000 pesos each, to the Realme 7 Pro smartphone, which is over 17,000 pesos in value. You can join all 3. It's free. You just have to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then click the links down below in the description box. They have the different videos where you can watch to see the rest of the mechanics of the giveaway. With that said, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.